Alright guys, welcome back. Today we are back here in Milford, and I'm going to try out a little bit of a different soft plastic. I know you guys see me throw the Bandito bug, but I actually won a contest off of Basquatch Hunters podcast, and met Mike McKinstry, and he hooked me up with, where did I set him? Hooked me up with these Z-Man, what are these? TRD Bugz. So we're going to see if we can catch some stuff on this. A little bit of a smaller profile, hoping that'll draw in the fish with this cold weather we're dealing with here in Michigan. So hope you guys enjoy. So I don't know if it got the catch or not, but here we go. He actually wasn't. Oh, you're alright. So nice little guy here, little fat guy. Cold, ice cold fish, man. But he was actually right up here by those lilies. Just came out and wanted to say hi. Alright. We'll get you back. There you go, bud. There he goes. Good fish. Good catch. Thank you. I was afraid I was going to get skunked. Alright guys, it's day 2 here. We're going to try out this new spot. I'm still in Milford. But a little different location. I actually didn't know this spot even existed, or that you could fish this spot. So it should be a good time. Yeah, day 2. Today is not as cold as yesterday was, which is pretty nice. A walkway down here. Get off a few little guys. We're just going to cast right up. Oh, that was a bite. Cast right back over there. Ooh, there's one. Oh yeah. All right. You're all right. There we go. Okay. Not a bad one either. That's what I'm talking about right there. Good hook. Bam. Okay. There you guys go. He is fat. He is a fat little fish. Wow. Yeah, I know you want to bite, huh? Wow, alright. I don't want to scare him off as a small spot. So we're actually going to release this guy kind of over here. There he goes. Wow, that was a good fish, guys. See if we can get some more. So, I don't know if this is I don't know what I'm doing, I'll be honest. I don't use soft plastics, which that's actually, you guys have seen me caught a lot of fish on soft plastics, but, so I'm running this. That's what this guy is. I just got him on a little hook here, no weight. It's naturally buoyant, so it kind of wants to sit at the top, so if you jig it a little, it goes down. Not really a weedless presentation. You can see the hook sticking out of there. I'm really bad at tying these on. But, yeah, so what do you came and hit it on? Let's see if we can get another one. It's kind of slowing down off the wall, so we'll just give it a nice cast out front. This fish a little bit of time to recuperate. It's just a real, this is actually a water treatment dam. Ooh, I missed one. There he is. There he is. Oh, he's gone. He was right there. Right there. You guys saw him. Alright. Reset my drag. So they are in the softs a little bit, like in the weeds, kind of hunting in there a little bit. It's technically okay, it is locked. I was going to say, technically it's not locked. Oh, that's cool. It's a little personal plane. What are those called? It's a little guy. Yeah, I want to cast over that, but then I'm just going to get caught up there and I won't have anything good to come out of that. I can't really skip under it. Oh, shoot. Well, alright then. I guess let's just go with your gut. Look at this little guy. Well, there you guys go. Second fish of the day. Thanks, bud. Wow, he was right up there. Alright guys, day 3. We're already off the beaten trail here. Still using that Z-Man. Just seeing what's out there. You know, my fiance asked me how I ruin pants so quickly, and hopefully watching this video she starts to understand. I'm not gonna lie, that was a lot longer of a walk than I was expecting. But I got a lot of cool pictures, and got to walk with some deer for a few minutes, so that was kind of cool. But we're here, we made it. I didn't really know how big it would be. Ooh, got one. Ooh, there's one. All right. Well, that long walk immediately paid off. Look at that guy, huh? Nice little bass. Not the biggest one I've ever seen, but still. Frogs out here. Come on, bud. Come on, you got it. Alright, let's try this again. There he goes. Woo! First cast, first fish always feels good.